will be going home back to Maya Port. And we will go home. We ride the boat today. So we'll be going home today. I hope the weather is good today because we're going home na. We're going home. See you there in the port. He's on the way home. On the way to the port. The weather is quite good today, sunny day, so I hope the sea is quiet and calm, not rough. Not same as we back here last time. Ano pa dong sa pantalan niya?
Yeah.
Hey, Charlie, what did you expect us to buy it and have you built in one day?
Yeah. Okay, must we buy ticket? We'll be buying ticket.
I'm going to my yeah, they to wait sa ma'am, likod lang sa
Pwede pala. Going home to the port now. Maya Port. So this is it. Pansit. We have very nice weather today. Very nice weather today, but still 300 peso. Oh my God, because no passenger. That's what they said. No passenger. The boat is only half. And if you want to go quickly, you have to pay extra 100 again. in Mayaport. Oh my god, my hair is so messy. Very messy in the boat. Very hot here in Mayaport today. Sun is so hot. But in the island, very bad weather. Bad weather. So bad. This is the Mayaport. Mayaport. So we are finally on land again here in Maya Port, Dan Bantayan, Cebu. Thank you. Finally arrived here at the parking area to get the car. That cost me 200 peso for 2 nights overnight stay. So we are on the way now. See you. Hey guys, I'm on the way home now from the